Hi, Greg here with ASUS. Now, I'm sure most of you are familiar with our TUF Gaming series of motherboards, built with military-grade components and designed to deliver unwavering stability and durability. Now we're expanding the TUF Gaming lineup of products, and with the help of a few trusted partners, we've created the TUF Gaming Alliance. We've teamed up with Cooler Master, Antec, G-Skill, Corsair, Intermax, and many others to build special TUF Gaming branded components that create a unified desktop ecosystem that ensures compatibility and complementary aesthetics from all components. And to be sure that they can deliver the performance and durability that the TUF Gaming brand has been known for, they've all been thoroughly tested. For example, the memory is put through a 24-hour non-stop stress test using MemTest, and the PSUs must pass a 72-hour torture test to be sure that they'll last through marathon gaming sessions. Beyond their performance, these components also share many of the design cues from our TUF Gaming line of motherboards, like the digital camo and black and gold color combination, so you know everything will look great together in your system. And we've built this system to really show off how all of the components integrate together to give you a great looking and affordable gaming PC. The case we're using is the Cooler Master MasterBox MB500. It comes with three 120mm RGB LED fans. Now those are all powered through the motherboard, and you can customize the color using our ASUS AuraSync software. There are also digital camo accents on the top and front, along with the TUF Gaming Alliance logo. The digital camo continues on the glass side panel as well. Powering the system is a Cooler Master MasterWatt 750 PSU with a touch more of the digital camo design. The motherboard we're using is the TUF Z370 Plus Gaming, which features our TUF MOSFETs, capacitors, and chokes to help improve system stability and reliability. Now, cooling the 8th generation Core i5 CPU is the Cooler Master Master Air MA410M. It features dual RGB LED fans as well as additional addressable internal LEDs. On the top, there's a little bit more of that TUF Gaming digital camo design and a window to see some of those internal LEDs. The memory we're using is the Corsair Vengeance Pro TUF Gaming Edition. And as you can see, they have a row of addressable RGB LEDs across the top, which can be controlled directly through the ASUS AuraSync software. Finally, the GPU we're using is the ASUS Turbo GTX 1070. So not only is this a great looking and affordable gaming PC, it's also powerful enough to play all the latest games without breaking a sweat. The TUF Gaming line of motherboards have always been great for first-time builders by providing great performance, durability, and advanced features like dual M.2 slots, reinforced PCIe slots, and RGB LED headers, all at an affordable price. And now with the TUF Gaming Alliance, we've made it easier to find all the components you need to complete your build without having to worry about compatibility or aesthetics. Over time, there's going to be more and more TUF Gaming Alliance components available, so the possibilities are nearly endless. There's also going to be a lot of TUF Gaming components available directly from ASUS, so keep an eye out for those. Now, if you have any questions about the TUF Gaming Alliance, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.